Dear children, today we are going to study about athletics. Athletics, as you all must be aware, that is a variety of competitions in running, walking, jumping, and throwing events. Although these contests are called track and field in the United States, they are generally designated as athletics elsewhere in across the world. So here on the screen you can very well see a man is lifting a spear. Can you guess what is that? Yes, that's a javelin throw. And javelin throw is a track and field event where the javelin, that means a spear about 2.5 meter in length, is thrown. The javelin thrower gains momentum by running within a predetermined area. Here the throw is an event of both men's decathlon and women's heptathlon. Now your question may be, what do you mean by decathlon? Decathlon actually is a series of 10 events. That means a series of 10 events occurring simultaneously one after the another. While, as the name suggests, the word heptathlon means a series of 7 consecutive events. And let me tell you one more fact. The women's javelin is somewhat shorter and lighter. And there is one more interesting fact related to javelin throw. Scandinavian athletes dominated the first 50 years of men's javelin competition. Now here on screen you can see a man is actually doing discus throw. Now what is discus throw? That is a common name for disc throw, which is a track and field event in which an athlete throws a heavy disc called a discus in an attempt to mark a farther distance than their competitors. It's an ancient sport as demonstrated by 5th century BC. On June 6, 1986, there was a discus thrower named Juergens Schuldt who set a world discus record of covering 74.08 meters. As you can see in the figure, the athletes are trying hurdle race. This race is a type of track and field race, and there are two types of races. First one being the sprint hurdle race and the second being long race. The standard sprint hurdle race is 110 meters for men and 100 meters for women. Men and women both run 400 meters in standard hurdle race. The next figure depicts the athlete is trying pole vaulting. Pole vaulting is a track or field event in which a person uses a long, flexible pole which in current times is made of either fiberglass or carbon fiber as an aid to jump over a bar. The object of pole vaulting is to clear a bar supported upon two uprights without knocking it down. Now, the last figure here is very much clear that an athlete is trying long jump. Yes. In this, there is a track in which athletes combine speed and strength to leap as far as possible from a takeoff point. Along with the triple jump, the two events that measure jumping for a distance as a group are referred to as the horizontal jump.